There's a number of reasons why, as a life sciences startup company, they need insurance, but otherwise they're often driven by early stage investors into those businesses. So the investors will look for directors and officers liability to be in place, and often they will ask for key person assurance, i.e. life critical illness cover on key individuals in that business to be insured at the same time. There's a whole range of insurance covers that we would discuss with a startup business, and these would cover subjects such as directors and officers liability to protect personal liability of the individuals in that business, often a requirement of the investors into that company that they would hold this. Secondly, employers' liability as a legal requirement here in the UK. Investors would also seek to have cover for life critical illness cover on key individuals, described as key person assurance. If they are undertaking travel overseas to conferences, things like that, then we would look to put in a group travel policy alongside that, and also intellectual property. A key asset of any life science company is its intellectual property. We're able to provide insurance solutions to protect that in terms of defending their intellectual property, or the ability to pursue others who they believe are infringing their intellectual property. D&O, at the end of the day, it's protecting the personal liability of the individuals, directors and officers in that business. So your own assets, your house, etc. are at risk. So it's important to protect that. But as a life sciences company operating in this space, you are open to potential claims from shareholders, regulators, employees. It's a higher than normal risk sector. I think a startup company would benefit from the advice of a specialist broker to be able to advise them in terms of looking at the risks in their business, benchmarking them against their peer groups, access to the market and the specialist insurers that operate in this sector, and the ability to understand their business and advise them on the risks using our experience of other similar companies. Our life sciences practice has been in operation since 1993. We've got a lot of experience. We have excellent relationships with all the key insurers who operate in this sector, and we are very active in the life sciences community. We're involved with all the sort of leading trade associations and networking groups